Charles County in southern Maryland, King George County in northern Virginia, western St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, western Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Port Tobacco River to 20 miles southwest of Swan Point, and were moving east at 55 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include St. Charles, Waldorf, Swan Point, Lecomico River, Halloween Point, Golden Beach, Sheridan Point, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Leonardtown. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Coastal flood advisory in effect until 3 a.m.